In the past 10 years, the life of Chinese people has undergone tremendous changes, which is reflected in the daily life of food, clothing and transportation. In fashion choices, a new trend called guo cha, or China chic, is on the rise. It features modern designs mixed with traditional cultural elements. Zhang Mei Erbonia is an American lady who is fluent in Mandarin and obsessed with guo cha.
As I stayed here longer, a new fashion came to life, the guochao movement and the hanfu movement. And now, hanfu enthusiasts like me, we can all connect through the internet and talk about our love for, beautiful outfits. I think this new guochao culture, also the wenchuang and the Chinese cultural products, is a way for young people to connect with the ancient culture.
Over the past decade, changes have not only happened in Chinese people's wardrobes but also on dining tables. The boom in the food delivery industry has enabled people to enjoy a decent meal anytime, anywhere. Food delivery has become an indispensable part of the catering industry, street food stalls and chic restaurants alike.
在之前呢，我们是从来没有做过线上的外卖的，然后也是经过了这样一次就是关闭堂食以后呢，我们自己也是积极的去配合，然后把线上的这样的一个无论是美团外卖还是饿了么这样的一个线上平台，然后开放了。其实我们觉得还是蛮有信心的。
More tremendous changes have been seen in the country's transportation. In the year of 2019, the Beijing-Zhangjiakou high-speed railway went into operation with a design speed of 350 km per hour. 110 years ago in 1909, the line with a speed of 35 km per hour was China's first independently designed and built railway. By the end of 2021, the operating length of China's high-speed railway network exceeded 40,000 kilometers. In the first half of 2022, another 2,043.5 kilometers of new railway lines were put into operation across China.